What's up? What's up? What's going on, world? Welcome to another video of Hiking While Black. I'm here with
Joy.
Yes.
Reunited.
That's right. We back 2023. We are here at Sterling Forest Park. We're gonna be doing what's the name of the trail again?
Fire Tower.
All right, Fire Tower and Bear Rock Loop Trail. All right, so we here, y'all. Hiking While Black. Let's go.
Let's go.
I forgot the name again. Right here. So you see what's here? The Sterling Loop Lake. Lakeville Ironworks Trail. And that's what this is, in case you guys are wondering. We're gonna go down here, check this out. So this is where the trail splits, I guess. You can go straight, which is the blue trail. Bear Rock Trail is right up here, if you can see the orange. And the Fire Tower, which is the red, go back this way so you can see it from here. You see it? So I think we might go right. We're gonna go right?
Okay.
You want to?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Let's go counterclockwise.
Yeah.
What's the fun in going normal, doing things the normal way, right?
Exactly.
So I'm just saying, humans are evolving once again. So things that you haven't seen in the past 50 years, biologically and scientifically, you're starting to see. And, I think it's great.
Joy always coming through with the knowledge. That's why, the knowledge and the facts and the history. That's why I love hiking with her.
All right. Fire Tower.
Okay. Yeah, Fire Tower, right?
Yep, 75 miles. Let's get going. Yeah, I see the dot.
Yeah.
I see the dot. I'm just messing with you.
Yeah. yeah. From afar, it does say 75. Yeah.
Another scientific fact.
Wait. Hold on. So we going? Okay, yeah, because it's Bear Rock Trail.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if we crossed over it. No, we don't cross over there. Cause you see right there.
Yeah, I see it.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's up here. So before you start that, what do you think of this hike so far, Joey?
This is a nice walk through the woods. I say that every single time because there's always a different trail we are on. This is pretty cool. There's ruins. There's several trails. It's I want to say easy to moderate. The only reason why we're struggling today is because we're both really tired geriatric millennials.
Word.
Yeah.
Word.
With jobs and families.
Correct.
But we're out here in the woods.
That's right.
So, yay us.
Yay us. Yay. Hiking While Black. Let's go.
from other sources to sustain you. So, you know, your body's lacking in calcium. It's going to come from your bones and teeth if you're not feeding that to yourself. And when your body goes into starvation mode, your metabolism comes basically to a screeching halt.
So that explains. Okay.
So that's why they say people eat 6 small meals a day or just healthy snacks and stuff.
How many small meals a day?
Keep your metabolism going.
Yeah.
And then people love to follow that keto diet, and I hate it because they replace it with fat. And I'm tired of seeing people eating plates of beef, like cheeseburgers without the bun, with bacon on top. And then wondering why their cholesterol is high. Yeah, you lost 30 pounds, but now you're about to have a stroke. You don't have to replace sugar and carbs with anything. It's in everything already, you know? Just follow the diabetic diet. You'll get the same results without screwing up your cholesterol or screwing up your gallbladder, which is what the keto diet does. It causes ketoacidosis.
I just came in here for a hike, man. I ain't come here to get all this knowledge, but I appreciate it from Joy.
Ty started asking me questions. He knows I'm a science nerd. And now I'm nerding out, and now he's acting like he didn't start this.
Yeah, I'm a little, fire starter a little bit. All right, so we gotta make this left.
There's green over there, so.
Yeah, we still going this way.
Wow, this is deep.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Okay. Oh, no.
What?
Joy, we went the wrong way.
We did?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
What we did?
We went the wrong way. Look, we all the way up here. Where did it turn at?
I don't know.
Okay, so I guess we gotta go back.
We were following the orange markers, though.
Yeah.
But then if we go that way, it's green. And when we saw the turn point down there, it was green, remember? When we were like, we weren't sure?
Yeah, but look, we all the way out here. That's why I got that sound. Boom, bang. It was letting us know we was off trail.
Oh.
So we gotta go back.
So we're up there, right?
Yeah.
But it'll take us back.
Yeah.
If we just, I guess we're going to have to just follow the green trail or something?
Yeah. We gotta go back this way.
So we'll just go back this way and follow the green trail.
Joy got us lost. That's my story. That's what I think. Listen, we was all deep in our convo.
Fourth week in Nydia, if you watch this, I got Ty lost. 4th week in a row, we got lost.
Yeah.
That's right.
We were having good, great, wonderful conversation, and I wasn't paying attention to the map, man. That's my fault. I gotta take that.
I'm still proud of myself.
All right.
I am on a streak of getting lost in the woods.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
All right, so we go back this way. Yeah.
So we go down this way, or are we going back this way?
We go back this way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See, so right there is the green. Here is the orange again. All right, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when we back on the trail. So we had to go back to where all the signs were, and the trail goes here to the blue. So we gotta just go back there. Yeah. So where I thought where we were supposed to go the first time, walked past it. Look, that's how the trail looked like. It had us going straight instead of making that left. But again, Joy distracted me, so that's what she does best. Yeah. So, all right, but it's good. Get off track a little bit. Nature, it's all good. Over here at a fire tower. See the fire tower? And my fearless sister Joy is going to do the honors of going up this tower, because I'm not. I'm scared.
If it's open. It says do not enter.
Yeah, but when do we ever listen to the rules? We don't listen to rules.
No more. Well, the problem is I think you can get around it.
Oh, so you can't.
Nydia could fit through there, but my butt is far too big.
Look at that. So it looks like it's closed. Ah, that's not good.
Yeah. It is closed. Womp, womp, womp.
All right, so we gonna meet you back down at the trail, hiking while black.
Oh, well.
So as we start to walk back down, the trail marker is red, you see. So this trail is a whole bunch of different colors. Orange, then orange goes to blue, then blue goes to red. All right, guys, so we just completed this, Joy. What do you think about this trail?
This trail is definitely good. Easy to moderate. We're a little tired today. But it's a really good hike. It's a nice hike. This time of year, without the leaves in the way, you get really incredible views at certain points. And definitely go counterclockwise.
Go counterclockwise.
So we're at the point right here where...
Yeah, so we just did this hike, Bear Rock Trail, and what? The Fire Tower Connector?
Fire Tower Connector.
All right, y'all. So Sterling Forest State Park, another hike in the books. Check it off on our list. See you guys at the next hike, Hiking While Black.
Peace.
Peace.